Hey YouTube, I'm going to get on here and do a quick Dollar Tree haul. The first thing I picked up was this Minnie Mouse decal. Can you give her something, Emily? I picked up this Minnie Mouse decal. My cousin is actually having a Minnie Mouse party and I'm supposed to be doing all of her cupcakes and decor and stuff like that. So I picked that up and I have a project in mind for that. And then I picked up these 2 pairs of socks for my daughter. There's actually 3 pairs in each, so that's a total of 6 pairs for $2, which isn't bad. And then I also picked up this Fix-All adhesive. I have a Boone frog water scoop or whatever that you can put all the toys in and it's supposed to like drain. The little sticky part on the back broke off or it's not sticky anymore, so I purchased this. I'm hoping this will stick on the wall. So I picked that up. And then like I was saying in my other haul or in my other video, my shop with me, they had a ton of Bolero stuff, which I was so excited because my store is slowly getting all the Bolero stuff in, like the bath salts and then the oils and stuff like that. So I'm excited to see that more and more in my store. I picked up this sanding sponge. And then also I picked up these scented mini stickers. My daughter wanted them and there are 75 in each pack, so that's a ton of stickers. I also picked up 1 pair of, I think it's the ankle shoe liners or whatever for me. They have the pantyhose material ones, but I don't like them because I feel like they're too thin. So I picked up the ones that are cotton. And I have them, so they actually work better for me. I don't know why I put this back in here. I should have done that. Okay, and so the next thing that I have is I'm gonna be doing a organization like with these little organizing drawer, like for my makeup and stuff. So I'm gonna be doing that for all of my makeup and my brushes and stuff like that. So I picked 2 of these sliding ones. I was gonna get 4, but I wasn't sure. I have a makeup organizer that I purchased at like H-E-B or something. So I'm not sure if it's gonna stack perfectly on here. So I don't know, we'll see. I might end up just getting 2 more and then gluing the 4 and then keeping it next to the one that I purchased already at H-E-B, but we'll see. Okay, so next what I picked up is some of the Bolero stuff. In my shop with me, you can see all the stuff that they had. Shop with me, you can see all the stuff that they had on the shelf. I think there was a picture I had to insert because my phone died. But the things that interested me were these paper facial masks. And this one's in the coconut oil and sea salt. I thought it was super interesting. I've never seen these before. So I picked up the paper mask. And then I picked up this body polish. And let's see, all skin types. And the only ones that they had this in is this coconut and sea salt. And then they had a lavender. Oh, it smells so good. They had a lavender and something else. I don't remember what was mixed in with the lavender. But I only picked up the mask, the body polish, and the face wipes. And the face wipes, there's 30 that come in here. And they smell so good. And then I picked up the bath soak, which is a really good deal. Like for like Valentine's Day, you can like a gift basket for like foot scrub. They had the oils. They had like hand cream and a face spray, I think it was, but I didn't get that. I don't need it, so I didn't get it. And last but not least, I picked up a couple of beauty products because I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree makeup tutorial. Like all of my a full-on makeup is just going to be with Dollar Tree products, so look out for that video. So what I did purchase is the brow lift, and this one is in light because it has the dark on there, and then it has like this one right here is for your eyebrows, and then this one up here is for like your under and on top, like a highlighter. So I got that, and then I picked up this liquid makeup, and I picked it up in natural. They had like tan and cream, but those colors were just, they didn't seem like they would fit my complexion, so we'll see. And then I also picked up from Beauty Benefits. I know I did a Beauty Benefits haul right before Christmas. I picked up a lot of products from them, which I haven't used yet. I think I used like the lip balm or whatever, but that was it. So this one I picked up is the contour palette, and this one is in biscotti. Oh my gosh, I feel like I got this one already. Just now that I just said the name, I remember I have one just like it. I don't know, I might have a giveaway of beauty products. And then I got the highlighter, the highlight powder in Gleam. I feel like I have that one too now that I'm just looking at them on video. And then I picked up 3 of the eyeshadow trios. I have the Rose. I'm not sure if you can see that. Then I have this Smoky. And then last but not least, I have Spice. I thought those are really pretty colors. That is it for my haul. Like I said, I'm probably going to be doing a full face makeup tutorial with only Dollar Tree makeup products. Hopefully my face doesn't break out, but I'm doing it for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Once again, if you like my channel, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.